Hey, what's up YouTube and anyone watching there? Alright guys, today I'm gonna show you three methods of getting your IP address using Visual Basic 2010 or VB.NET. Okay, the first method will get your computer IP address, which will be a local IP address. The second method will get your internet IP address, and the third method will get your internet IP address, but the third method will be more shorter and easier to remember as compared to the second method. Okay, so let us start by creating a new project. You can do this by either clicking on this new project link, or you can go to new project button, or you can go to file and click on new project. So we're creating a Windows Form application, so I'm gonna be renaming mine to IP address tutorial. You can rename yours to whatever you want. Okay, so once your form is finished loading, you will get this blank form. I'm going to be placing three buttons in the form because I'm going to show you three methods of getting IP address, and a text box to show our IP address. Okay, I'll quickly place them in the right order. Okay, so I've done few changes in my form. I've got this three buttons and a text box, and the button is local IP, the second button is internet IP1, the third button is internet IP2. The names are button 1, button 2 and button 3, and the text box 1. Okay, so I'm going to show you the first method which will be getting your local IP. Okay, so first thing you have to do is go on the top over here and import some general declarations. So first one will be import system.net, and the second one will be the imports system.io. Okay, so we're gonna be needing these two to use in our codes. Okay, so button 1, it's very easy. All you have to do is go textbox1.text equals dns.getHostEntry, and then in the brackets dns.getHostName .address list 0.2 string. Okay, so we're going to be running and checking how it works. Okay, we click on button 1 and we get our IP address in the text box. Okay, and the second method which I'm going to show you will be getting your IP address from the internet, and this one will not be the short way of getting your IP address. I'm going to be showing you the easier way of getting the IP address of the internet in the third method. But this is for the beginners who want to learn the codes. Okay, let us start off by declaring two variables: request as http web request equals web request dot create, and in the quotations we type in this a URL. Okay, I'm going to be showing you where did I get this URL from in a second, but before that we're going to be finishing writing the codes. And the http request dot get response. Okay, and we have to read what the response we got, so we have to go dim stream as stream equals response dot get response stream, and then we go dim sr as new stream reader, and in the brackets we type in stream. Okay, the text box 1 dot text equals sr dot read to n, and this should work. So let us try now what we got. When we click on button 2, we get our IP address in the text box. Okay, so the second method works, but as we can see it's like 4, 5, 6 lines of codes. Okay, we can make it short in 2 lines of codes. So let us try this in the button 3. Okay, we go dim wc as web client and we go textbox1 dot text equals wc.download string, and we paste in the same URL as we did in the second method. So this one we have to place new because we're creating it a new one. So this should go now. Okay, so there are no errors. Let us try run the program. Okay, when we click on button 3, we get the IP address once again, the same IP address as we got in button 2, and the local IP one will be your computer IP address, the other one will be your internet IP address, and this one will be your internet IP address using the easier way. So now I'm going to show you where did I get this URL from. Open up your web browser and go to google.com. Now once you're on Google, type in what is my IP, and then you will get this website. You should be clicking on the first link. Okay, it will show you IP address over here. Okay, and then when you click on right click on your web browser and go to view code, view source, actually view source, or you can go to view and go source, and both the methods work fine. Okay, you scroll down and until you find this code, please set your code to scrape your IP from www. The URL I showed you before. It's the same URL. Okay, see this one? That's what we use. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Please rate and subscribe. Yeah, thanks.